How to amplify sound in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and load the audio file you want to amplify. You can simply drag and drop your file into the workspace or use the open option in the file menu. Next, highlight the section of the audio you wish to amplify. If you want to amplify the entire track, just press Ctrl+A to select all of it. Now, go to the effects menu at the top and choose Amplitude. Inside the Amplitude effects menu, click on Gain. The Gain option allows you to increase the volume of your selected audio section by adjusting the gain value. Simply enter a value in the box or drag the slider to the right to boost the audio level. After applying the gain, you can preview the audio by pressing the play button. If you want to ensure there's no distortion or clipping, you can also use the normalize effect found in the same menu. This will automatically set the peak audio level to a target dB value without distortion. It's a safe way to make your audio louder while keeping the quality clean. Once you are happy with the changes, go to File, click on Save As, pick your format and choose where you want to save the audio. And that's it. Now you know how to amplify sound in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.